Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to see how we can divide a face using different references. So for now, let me create one block. Okay, so we will consider this block for an example. I want to divide this particular face into two halves. So for that, you will have to go in the surface. Here in combine, you will find the device face command. Just click on that. It will ask you to uh, face to be divided. So I want to divide this face. First of all, you need to confirm here the selection filter as a single face. So I want to divide this face. So click on that. And the tool that I want is this face. So this is how you can see the face is being divided into two different faces. You can also divide a face using sketch. Let's say if you have some profile and you want to divide a face using that profile, so you can easily draw a sketch and do that. So let's take one example here. So let me draw a sketch on this surface. Let me take a simple example. So let's divide this face using a circle. So again, go to combine here in a divide face. I want to divide this face, and the tool is this sketch. If you see, this face is been divided into two. Here you have to select the face. So now you can see this face is been divided into two different faces. So that is it for this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.